Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Seb. You join me here again today with another upgrade thanks to EV-Base for our 2023 Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive. So we've just been sent these really cool goodies for the Tesla Model 3. I'm sure you can guess by the shape of the box what it is. It is a rear spoiler. So Tesla has really cool aftermarket accessories that you can find in the market, and EVBase.com is one of the top suppliers for parts. So you can see here we've been sent this really cool real carbon fiber rear spoiler, and I must say the quality of the parts from these suppliers are super good. So you can check this out here. It's even got a real nice red line at the back here, and you can see the weave on there is really beautiful as well. It comes pre-fitted with your double-sided tape. So we're going to do a little quick installation video for you. I've just made sure that the back of the car is cleaned and dry. You want to make sure that it's properly dry and it has been properly degreased. So we'll show you how to do that just now. Best way I like to degrease is with a bit of brake cleaner. So this is just a clean cloth. Again, I've washed this already, I've dried it, and just to degrease it, spray a bit on here. Make sure the back of the car is properly degreased. It also helps with drying it to make sure there's no residual moisture left behind from when you washed it, because if there's any moisture bubbles left behind, the adhesive tape won't really stick very well. So what you want to do before you start is actually just test fit the part to make sure you've got the right part. So again, this is a 2023 Model 3. It's not the same part that will fit the new Highland model. So when ordering, make sure you order the correct part for your car. This applies to 2018 to 2023 Model 3s. And then the Highland Model 3s has a different part number. Be sure when ordering to use my discount code below. It's DutchmanSeb. I'll put a link below for the discount code. You get up to 15% off of your order. And if you order above a certain amount, you also get worldwide free shipping. And they're even throwing in some free goodies like your Tesla logo center caps. So be sure to check that out and see what other cool accessories they have for your car. They only have accessories for Teslas and Model Ys, but also for other EVs like your Ford Mustang Mach-E and other EVs as well. So check it out. So I'm going to test fit it at the back over here. Just make sure I've got it the right way around. So it's that way. Yes, exactly. That's the way it goes. And you'll see when moving it around from left to back, it does have a kind of centered position. So it's not too difficult to get it centered. But yeah, just test fitting it there. You want to see it before you stick it down, kind of where the gap is. So you can check here the line with your tail light. On this side, it's quite consistent with the line on this side where the tail light is. I think that's pretty good for test fitting. Maybe, it can go a little bit to the right. So you want to mark it up. So they do actually provide you with some stuff in the box. You've got some instructions. You've got a little cool bag. It comes down with sealable waterproof bag. And here you've got some additional tape. You've got some stickers that you can use to mark, I guess, the position of it. Some marking tape to hold it in place while the adhesive dries. You've got some more double-sided film. I guess in case the double-sided film they provided you with is not sufficient. And then you've got your installation videos and instructions here on how to do it. So again, they said clean the surfaces as completely as possible. We've done that, check. Make sure the length between the left and right sides of the car are consistent, and mark it down with tape. So they're giving you the blue tape, quite a full roll to mark down your positions. So we're going to put a bit of tape at the end to mark the positions, making sure the spoiler's in the middle because you don't want it to be off-centered, right? You've only got one chance to stick it down. Then you're going to attach the 3M tape on the spoiler and then apply the adhesive promoter on the car's surface. So they've given an adhesive promoter. I'm not sure where that is. Let's see. Okay, you got a warranty, so you got a 1-year full warranty as well. Here they give you a really cool thank you note. Token of our appreciation, we'd like to invite you back for an additional 18% off your second order. So that's super cool as well. So make sure that you check out the reviews. Let's see, that's about the middle, I guess. Let's check it out. So, marking down the position with the tape, where I think it's the middle. So you could get a tape measure out and measure it. Alright, it's definitely not centered, so that needs to go more that way. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. So the tape is lining up for me. I'll just show you here. I've lined up kind of where the tail light splits at the back here, so that I can see the gap here is consistent with the gap on this side. So it's just over the tape a little bit, and the line is following up the tape here as well. So I reckon that's pretty much centered. I think that looks super good though, with the red line at the back there. I really like that real carbon fiber. The detail is just so good. Really completes the back of the car. I reckon with a bit of luck we'll be able to get that stuck on pretty good. So I'm going to peel off the tape here on the inside. Get ready to stick that down. Super easy to do actually, just getting this little red tape off sometimes can be a bit painful. Alright, there we go. So, the moment of truth. So no mistakes, no going back from here. This double-sided 3M tape is pretty sticky stuff, so you want to line it up with your markings. Make sure that you've got both sides equal. And that's about it, I reckon. Let's get our blue tape out from underneath there. Alright, make sure you don't get the blue tape stuck underneath your spoiler. And then yeah, you're going to want to stick that up there and make sure that's sticking good. Alright, then you're going to use the blue tape, tape up the spoiler to make sure that the adhesion stays good and tight while that 3M tape is settling in. So make sure you're pressing the spoiler down into the car when you're taping it up. That way you make sure the tape is making good adhesion and the tape's holding it in place. And we're just about done, so halfway through. And that's it. Simple as that. Not much to it. So that was installation. Quite straightforward. Only about 5 minutes installation work. So I've taped it up and make sure that the adhesion will stick for a while. Give it a couple hours to stick. And that's it pretty much. I really like the detail here with the little red trim on the back. So this is the real carbon fiber. They also have ABS plastic, which is more of like a black glossy plastic. I prefer the black carbon fiber. And this little red trim gives it a nice performance touch as well. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments, and definitely hit thumbs up if you like this upgrade, and see if you want to have more of these videos. Definitely check out evbase.com. use my promotion code DutchmanSeb. You get some 15% discount off your order. I get a bit of commission as well, so everybody wins. And then hopefully we get some more products to review again in the future, and you guys can enjoy more of this cool content. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out my other videos. I do some cool project cars like my J's Racing Honda S2000 here behind me, also a Toyota Supra Top Secret, and some cool track days as well. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and hit thumbs up below, and definitely subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, until next time, cheers.
Kijk deze vlog zeker en shout-out naar Sebastiaan. Dikke vette peace!
Dankjewel, dit is mijn buurman. Dankjewel Seppi.
Hij rijdt hele dikke auto's. Ik zou zeker de vlogs kijken. Check in de recijfing. Duimpje omhoog en abonneer voor de 100.000 likes.
Kijk, wat een echte naturale vlogger, hè?
Ja.
Ja, naturale vlogger.
Altijd Enzo Knol.
Toppie maat. Dankjewel.
Shout-out als Enzo Knol kijkt. Ik ben fan van je.